How to find friends on Instagram from contacts. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Instagram application here in our mobile device. Once done, go to the lower right hand corner and click on your profile icon. Now once you've clicked on your profile icon, basically it will route you to your profile page. Now here we're in our profile page. You can see three buttons right there below your bio. So that's the edit profile, share profile, and there's another small button. So click on that small button beside share profile. So once you've clicked on that button, basically it will show you this page, which is discover people, and there you can see a blue link which is see all. So all you need to do is to click on that one. Now here the next thing that you can see is connect contacts. So click on connect contacts and allow Instagram to access your contacts, and click on the blue button afterwards. That's about it for today's video. Hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.